Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to disable website recommendations in Windows computer. So these integrations mark a significant steps in making Windows search a more versatile and comprehensive tool. In addition, for many it does not universally resonate with all users. Reasons for this dissatisfactions include some users might find it cluttering the search experience with irrelevant informations and concerns over privacy data usage. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable website recommendations via Windows settings. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open Windows settings. And then once you open up this Windows settings, at left side navigations pane, and then you need to select personalizations and then click. And on right side, and then you need to scroll down and then locate this start and then click. So here in start and then scroll down and you can select now this show recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps and more. And then all you have to do is to disable or turn off. On our right side, then you can see this button and then we need to turn off. So once you're done here at Windows settings, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to edit a group policy to restrict web results. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu and then here at search for apps and then you need to type gpedit.msc and then click open. And then once you open up this local group policy editor or this is the gpedit.msc, and then next step, and then you need to select user configurations and then you need to select this administrative templates. So select and double click. And then here at administrative templates and then you need to select Windows component. So select and double click again. So here in Windows component and then you need to scroll down and then find this search. So once you already find this search, all you have to do is to click one time. So click one time and on right side, then you can see this search settings. And the next step, then you need to find this turn off storage and display of search history. Alright, so all you have to do is to select and double click and then pop up this turn off storage and display of search history. So all you have to do is you can see this. We have three options here that not configured, enabled, or disabled. And then you need to select enabled. And then you need to click apply and then click OK. Alright, so once you're done here, and then we need to restart here at start menu. Okay, so that's it guys on how to disable website recommendations in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.